Hello, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a front elevation and door design for the Autocad plan. In here I am going to change for this one to hip roof. That's a gable roof design, and I am going to change the hip roof. In here I am going to click draw construction line tool. You can press Excel line and I'm going to press the angle. I need angle 45 and I'm going to press the angle A, enter, 45, enter. Here I click this point, click here this point, press escape. I'm going to trim here this line. Here right click, trim it, press escape, again trim and double enter also. Hit this one, right click here, trim it and press here, and you can mirror this one, press enter, or you can press space bar for the enter, mirror, okay, enter. And I want to trim this one, trim, click here, this one, right click, trim this both line. This is the hip roof for the plan view, and you can select this one on this line and make it dash line. Choose the property line here and other. I want to load the line, load, and I want to click the line here, center line, okay, and click this one, okay. Now select again. Now I can select this here, press escape, okay. Right, now I'm going to draw the front for this plan using construction line tool. Here press horizontal edge, you can see this command line, edge horizontal, or you can click. Now I click in here and click the horizontal line, press escape. I need this front, and I need this front. Using construction line tool, V, enter, vertical. Now I'm going to project this roof end and this wall end here, and the roof center. You can here, so this one, right, I click later and press escape. In this case, my wall height, I'm going to take the 10 feet and I'm going to offset this one 10 feet, enter, offset 10 feet roof. Now I'm going to add roof angle for 30 degrees. I'm going to click here, construction line tool, A, enter, 30, enter, click here, press escape, and I'm going to make the mirror this one. Select this line, press enter, draw the mirror line, press enter. I'm going to connect these lines, the roof end, click here to here, press enter, click the trim here, trim this one, enter, this line and enter here, and again escape. Now I'm going to delete this center line. Now I'm going to offset for this roof line 9 inches for the balance board. Offset, trim, click these two lines, enter, enter, again enter, trim, enter, enter, and you can delete this line and trim. You can keep this line and you can make it trim. Okay, this is my front elevation, and I have to build up something. Construction line tool again, re-enter. I'm going to draw this different, and here you can see this column and the window. Escape, zoom it. We'll make the trim again. Press this trim here, these two, and trim it. And here this is my different, and this is my window. In here I'm going to keep my window height 1 feet. I'm going to leave this wall 12, enter, and here to here I'm going to keep the 6 feet offset, 6 feet, enter, and make it chamfer. Okay, in here I'm going to offset this line to down the floor 4 inches, and I'm going to make this line to here, enter, and you can drag like this point here, enter, and trim it. This line can make the trim this one. Press undo here and trim only this line. On this side I'm going to trim to both lines, and in here I need a window for this place also, and I'm going to select this window, make copy, click here, click here, and I'm going to make the construction line tool, re-enter, keep like this, or you can make this window rectangle, select this and make it copy, you can keep here, delete this one. In here I'm going to draw, and we'll design a window later a little bit. Now I'm going to make the column up 6 inches, and this side I'm going to make 4 inches down, enter, again press enter, midpoint, and press 3 inches or something, depend on your plan. And press the line here, enter, mirror, select this thing, enter, mirror it, enter, line tool, make this one, press enter, trim, enter, press escape and delete this. Okay, now I'm going to draw a window for this area. Select this rectangle and make it copy, and keep 2 copies, press escape. In here I need a 4 piece window, and zoom here, and I'm going to measure this line. This is the system, to draw, there's a 8 feet, and you have to, I want to draw a line 7 feet 9, and select this line, move, you want to select the midpoint and click this midpoint. You can see the difference here, and I want to divide this line. You can click here and draw, divide, select this line, and how enter the number of segments. You can enter the segments. I need a 4 segments, enter. Here you can, if you select this one, you can see the segments 1 2 3 4, and if you want to add a point for this one, you have to type DDP type point style, and you can select the style and click OK, and you can draw the line now. I'll select this one and make it copy, press escape, delete these points, and I'm going to delete this short line. Now if you can measure this one, here in here, this is 2 feet 1 inches, and this is different 1 feet 11 inches. Okay, now I'm going to draw the timber frames. The timber frame sizes we are using 3 inches, and I'm going to use to offset this one 3, enter. In door and window we are using timber frame sizes 3 inches for the elevation, and the cross section you can see the 4 inches. And I'm going to offset this frame 9 inches, and again 3 inches, trim, press escape, and I want to offset this one to 1.5, this side 1.5, and here 1.5, here 1 point, here 1.5, 1.5, delete these lines, the center one, make it trim, enter. Okay, my timber frame is okay, and I want to draw the window shutters. I'm going to keep the copy for this one, press enter here, and I'm going to draw the window here, offset, and press 4 inches, enter. And I want to make the trim, or you can make it chamfer. This is single panel window. If you want to cut glasses, get line tool, you can divide this one, center, and you can divide this line to 3 or 4. In this time I'm going to divide 3, using divide, and divide segments 3, enter. Here divide, this line, 3, enter. I already add point style, or you can change the point style pressing DDP type. Delete these points and offset. You have 0.5 inches, and I will offset this one to both side, and this to both side, this to both side, and delete these lines. Trim, enter. Escape, make it copy, select these panels, enter. Base point, I will select this corner point to base, escape, and you can make here to window, offset 4, enter, and press offset 3, enter. Escape, trim, chamfer, select, copy, base point, escape. My window has finished, or you can make the arch windows, and I'll show you later. Make it copy, and keep here and here. I'm going to change the layer, select this one and change the layer to window, so to window, and select these lines to wall, and you can make another layer for the floor, and you can make new layer here, new floor, and you can change the color. Okay, floor, like this. Next, I'm going to show you how to draw a side elevation. In here, I want to select this plan and make it copy. Press escape and rotate. Now I want to project this plan using construction line tool. We enter. This time we have to draw the door windows. Like this, and I want to project this roof corners. Press escape. Now I'm going to offset 10 feet again, this line, and using construction line tool, A, enter, 30, enter. In here I'm going to click this point, press escape, and again construction line tool, A, enter, minus for 30, enter. And I want to draw the line to this point to here, enter, and here to here. Using trim, these two lines, right click here and make trim this point here, and offset 9, enter. trim, select these two lines and trim this one, and trim again, and I will delete these two lines. Again trim, enter, and delete this one, and delete this line. Now I'm going to again draw construction line tool, we enter. You have to project this column. You can use trim, click here and here, you can trim it, and you can use the same design, make it copy, and click this corner point to here. You can trim it. And the next one, a construction line tool again, we enter, and click this point to here, here to here, offset. I'm going to press 7 feet for front door, offset 3 inches timber frame. You can make chamfer, I'm going to select this for door layer and make it trim this, and construction line tool, we enter, okay, project this one. In here I'm going to project the windows, enter. This is my roof end, sorry, wall end. And here I'm going to offset the 1 feet for this window, and this height I'm going to make 6 feet, enter, and make chamfer. So I'm going to make trim, on the next one I have this window, and I'm going to use the window offset for this one, (3 feet 6). Trim, I'm gonna make trim this one here, and this one here. We'll make chamfer here to here, here. I'll delete this line, delete these lines, delete these lines, and select these two windows and move it to window, press escape and select this window and make it copy here to here, and delete these lines. I have to draw the 3 panel window here, and you have to create the same like that, or you can make the, you can delete this point. I will make the copy here keep it here, and I will delete these lines. This is my window, and I have to offset from 3 inches here. 3, enter, and make it chamfer. Select this one to move to window layer and move here to here. This is some small problem, it's okay, fine, and you have to draw this one separately. Use this one and make it copy. 2-panel window, you don't need to deduct 3 inches, you can offset just 3 inches here. And divide this line, it's using center point, and offset 1.5, and delete this point, and offset 9 inches, offset 3, and you can make trim. Okay, and move it to window. You can draw the window here. Offset again 4, and draw a line. Offset 0.5, trim, move it, copy, select this one and make it to there. Here I'm going to make copy here and keep it here and here. Now I'm going to add some hatch, using hatch, and I can select the hatch here, this, and click this one, and hatch, press escape, and here we have to draw a door for here, construction line tool, V, enter, and here I'm going to draw a 6 feet door, offset 6 feet, enter, offset 3, enter, chamfer, trim, draw a small circle here, enter, in here use the rectangle, and I will add some views here, like click the line tool, press F8 to remove auto mode, enter, and you can draw like this. You can select these things and make it mirror. F8, you can change it. Press escape, see line tool, and you can add some object, typing tool palette in command bar, and here you can press architectural, and you can add some trees here. You can use the elevation, or you can change the layers also. Vehicle, next video we'll see how to draw different type of windows and different type of doors, and how to draw the section details for this plan. Please subscribe my channel, and you can learn more softwares in this channel. Thank you for watching.